Alright, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send photos in TikTok DM. How to send photos in TikTok DM. So peradventure you're having these challenges, and let me show what I'm saying. You come here and you're unable to send photos. You can see right here what we have is just sending messages and voice notes and also stickers. Peradventure those are the three things you are seeing on your end. I'll be showing you a simple way to go about sending photos to your friends. So for you to send photos to your friends, you just need to make use of shared link. So what you'll be doing is you go to a cloud storage and upload the image you want to send to your friend. So you could use a cloud storage like Google Drive, or you can use Dropbox. Either of those two works fine. So let me go to my Google Drive and show you what I'm saying. So once I'm in my Google Drive right here, so what I'll do is I'll upload the photo I want to send to Google Drive. So once this is open like this, so I'll click on this plus button right here. Once I click on the plus button, you can see what we have right here. So I just click on upload. Can you see upload right here? So once I click on upload, then I get to like select the image I want to share with my friend. So right here I just selected this image. Can you see? So now it is uploading to my file. Are you seeing that? Preparing to upload. Let me go back to the application. It is not meant to take us away from the application. Okay, let's hold on. So once the image is done uploading, what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and copy the link to that image and share with your friend. Do you understand? So ensure that the image link is shareable, because there are some situations whereby if you copy a link to send to your friend, the person will not be able to view it. So ensure that the image link is shareable. So you can see the image right here. So this is the image right here. So once I click on this three button, I come here, click on manage access. I see. Once I click on manage access, then I set this as anyone can view. I see what I'm doing. Anyone can view. So once you're done setting this as anyone can view, then go ahead and click on this button right here to copy the link. Then you can now go to TikTok and share the link to your friend. So right here, this is the person's DM. So I just paste the link right here and send it to that person. I see. Once you send this to the person, then that person can also go ahead and open the link over there to view the image you just share with him or her. Do you understand? And he can also go ahead and save that image to his or her phone. Peradventure he or she wants to do that. So that is basically how you get to share images on TikTok DM. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. So I believe I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.